Today I'm sharing 7 interior design tips that keeps my home looking stylish and fresh no matter what the trends are. Hi, I'm Arwa. I love sharing my design experience to make your home lovely on a budget. These are some really simple tips that will make a huge difference in making your home feel bigger, brighter, and more inviting. Even on a budget, because to be honest, we all want to have a home which we can relate to all year round. Neutral colors create calm spaces. Think shades like white, grey, beige and taupe. These colors act as a blank canvas as they can be paired with any other texture or color. A neutral palette can make your room feel larger and more open. I found this very interesting when we lived in a small apartment, as the lighter colors made the space feel more airy and bright, which was totally a game changer for our mood and comfort. So using the neutral base also gives you flexibility. You can change the look of your room easily by adding bold accessories or swapping pillows or rugs. So here's what you're gonna do. When picking neutral colors, think about the undertones. Warm neutrals have yellow or red undertones, which makes the room feel cozy, and cool neutrals have blue or green undertones, which gives a very relaxed vibe. And trust me, always use paint samples to see how the paint look in your home and whether you like them or not. Neutrals doesn't mean it has to be boring. They can fit any style. You can use them with soft fabrics, sleek metals, natural woods to add variety and interest. Wood, stone and other natural materials help connect your home to the outdoors, creating a very calm atmosphere. What I love about natural materials is that they fit well with both modern and classic designs. These materials are also very easy to maintain. In case of wood, you just need regular dusting and right polish, and the stone surfaces, they just need mild soap and water for cleaning. I know you must be thinking these can be expensive, so in my opinion, there are two ways to look at it. If you can extend your budget over the long term, you actually save more money due to their durability. But if not, look for reclaimed wood. It's not only better for the environment, but also adds a sense of history to your home. Same with stone. There are so many varieties and there is something for every budget. You can always check your neighborhood sales. Check out my other videos to see exactly how I do it. And spend some time to look for high quality furniture. Quality pieces last longer and look chic, because with better construction and timeless design, they can withstand daily use and retain their appearance. The material of the fabric is really important. I have young kids and I always look for something that is rugged or coated with materials that repel liquids and are easy to clean. I love leather, but if you're trying to stay within budget, cheap leather quality is not great and often get wrinkles within months. Quality furniture also means thoughtful design. It should complement your space and match the theme of your interiors. Think about your lifestyle and opt for pieces that serves multiple functions. For example, sofa cum bed. It serves both seating and a guest bed. This brings us to the next topic, which is minimalism. Minimalism for me is not a style statement, but it's a way to reflect simplicity and functionality. Trust me, I'm a big fan of functionality, but also we have to be practical to maintain our homes. By taking away unnecessary things, we can create a space that feels calm and uncluttered. Think clean lines, neutral colors, and plenty of open space. These elements not only enhance visual appearance, but also gives a sense of tranquility. One example would be furniture with built-in storage solutions. They would help hide the clutter while blending in with the room's design. A common mistake I see people making is overloading the decor style. Keep your design simple. Choose a few quality pieces. Or you know what? You can create something yourself, which will be unique and one of a kind. The idea here is to maintain balance. Don't make the space too empty. Minimalism is not about empty spaces. It's about having what you need and love. Each piece should serve a purpose or bring joy. The idea here is to add to the design theme of the house and not force the items in. This is where mirrors come into play. Mirrors are a powerful tool in interior design, making a small room feel bigger and brighter. Try placing a large mirror opposite a window. This maximizes the natural light. Or in a narrow hallway, add a series of mirrors. It creates depth. A great trick to amplify space is using mirrors. They reflect light and create an illusion of depth, which makes rooms seem larger and airier. Just don't go overboard and turn your home into a hall of mirrors. It will get confusing. Mirrors can also serve as statement pieces. For example, choose a unique frame, place it above the fireplace. It will create a perception of height and space. Mirrors can also be very practical. A full-length mirror in your bedroom can help you get ready in the morning. And in the bathroom, a well-placed mirror enhances lighting and adds elegance. While designing, we always want to make sure that we are focusing on functional designs with personal touches. A well-designed space should reflect your personality. Start with the basics. Choose furniture that fits your daily routine. Think about storage solutions, the pieces that serve more than one function. A coffee table with a storage, for example. Include items that show who you are. Display family photos or souvenirs from trips. It will make your space really unique. Choose colors and patterns that speak to you. This will make your home feel welcoming. Don't forget the walls. Hang art that inspires you. It can be anything from a painting to a framed coat. Shelves are great for this too. You can display books, plants, or anything you love to highlight your personality. Textures add depth. Use different fabrics for throws and pillows. A mix of soft and hard surfaces can create a balanced look. Rugs are another way to add texture. They can define spaces within a room and add warmth. A well thought out space reflects who you are. It shows your style and makes your home practical and inviting. This brings us to our next point, which is attention to detail. Remember, small changes makes a big impact. So let's start with a home entryway. Add a stylish doormat, which is really easy to do. Consider a small table for keys and mail. This prevents clutter. Next, look at your lighting. Swap out old bulbs for LEDs. They save energy and money. Now coming to your living room, arrange cushions and throws neatly. Choose colors that match your decor. Think about your wall art. Group similar pieces together. It creates a cohesive look. Use frames that complement your furniture. This enhances the room's overall design. And in the bedroom, focus on bedding, as crisp sheets makes a huge difference. Add decorative pillows, they will alleviate the space. Consider a headboard, it adds a touch of luxury. Keep your nightstand clutter-free and use trays to organize small items. It's all small stuff and can be done on a really small budget. Check out my room makeover for under $100 for more ideas. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more interior design tips on a budget. And I'll see you next time.